Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is measuring temperature. Previous class we discussed thermometer and hot and cool things, materials. Okay, thermometer means thermometer temperature is measured by a device called the thermometer. So how do we measure the temperature? So have you seen a thermometer? Recall that when you or someone else in our family had fever, so, for example, you or your family suffering fever, the temperature was measured by the thermometer. Okay, the temperature was measured by a thermometer. A thermometer that measure our body temperature is called clinical thermometers. Thermometers are two types. One of them clinical and another one laboratory. So our body temperature measured by clinical thermometer. Okay. Look at this picture, figure number 4.2. This is the diagram of the clinical thermometer. Okay. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. Look at this picture, long, narrow, uniform glass tube, and it has a bulb at one side. It has bulb at one side. This bulb consists of mercury. This bulb consists of mercury. Okay. Outside of the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. If you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer bite till you see it. Okay, this is the mercury tube. Okay, you will also find a scale on the thermometer. Look at this, these are the scales. Okay, these are different scales, and the scales we use in the Celsius indicated by degree Celsius. Okay, the scales we use in the Celsius scales. The scales are called the Celsius scales. Okay. A clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay. Starting 35 to ending 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, children. This is the diagram of the clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. This is the uniform glass tube, and it's consists a bulb at one side. This is the bulb at one side. This bulb contain the mercury. This bulb contain a mercury, and the scales we use in the Celsius scales in this clinical laboratory clinical thermometer we use the scales. These are called the Celsius, and a clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 to 42. Okay, and next we discuss activity 4.2, reading a thermometer. Okay, to get more correct reading, there are some divisions between two consist numbers. Consist numbers, if there are 10 divisions, if there are 10 divisions, then each division signify 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1 degree Celsius temperature. Okay, if there are 5 divisions, five divisions such as 1 by 5, that equal to 0.2 degree Celsius. Okay, if there are 10 divisions, then each division signify 1 by 10 mean equal to 0.1 degree Celsius temperature. If there are 5 divisions such as 1 by 5, that equal to 0.2 degree Celsius. Okay, and next we discuss how to use a thermometer. How do we use? Was the thermometer preparable with an antiseptic solution? First we wash the thermometer properly, hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down. Okay, ensure that it falls down 35 degrees Celsius. Ensure that it falls down below 35 degrees Celsius starting level. Okay, 32 and ending level 42 degree Celsius. Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongues. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is our body temperature. Okay, the temperature should always be stated with its units Celsius. Our body temperature should be always be stated with its unit degree Celsius. Okay, so the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Normal human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, I understand. And next we discuss some precautions to be observed while using a clinical thermometer. What are their precautions? Thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferable with an antiseptic solution. Thermometer should be washed before and after use. Okay, and ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius. Ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius, otherwise we use. Okay, this is the starting level 35 degrees Celsius. Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. Look at this figure number 4.3. Okay, correct method of reading a clinical thermometer. This is the correct method. Okay, handle the thermometer with care. Why? Thermometer made by glass. Okay, glass tube. If it hits against some hard objects, it can break. Don't hold the thermometer by the tube while reading it. Okay, these are the precautions to be observed while using a clinical thermometer. Okay, the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, children, are understand? Next class we discuss activity 4.3. Okay, thank you.